Hi everyone. Welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper, Monday, May the 25th, 2020. And the second Sudoku is a two-star Sudoku. So let's get started. Alright. I see here three missing numbers in this row. What are those numbers? The missing numbers here are the 3, the 1, and the 6. 136. I see here 1 and the 3, so 1 digit left for the 6. The 1 and the 3 are left. We see here 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so in the row between. The only two places for the 1 should be here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column, so in the first column the only two places for a 2 should be here or there, but I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column, so in the column between, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there, but I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And then we have a 3 in this column, a 3 in the second column, so in the first column the only place for the 3 should be here. A 4 in this row, a 4 in the row below, so in the last row the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 7. 6 and 7, we have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this second column. The missing numbers are the 5, no, we have a 5. The 9 and the 7. The 9 and the 7 are missing in this column. 9 and the 7, we have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so in the third column the only two places for the 9 should be here or there, but I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 missing numbers in the third column for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4 are missing. I cannot place the 1 here because we have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 6. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4. No 4 in those 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Then we have in this big square 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 3 could be here or could be there. In this column we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. In that column we have a 3 over there. So in the middle column the only 3 places for a 3 should be here, here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. Here also a 3, no 3 there. Only place for a 3 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And then, yeah. How about the in this middle column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. I see here a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. I see here 7, so no 7 in this box. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 6, 8, and 9. I see here 6, so no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. The 8 and the 9 are left. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this last row for the number 8. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. In this last, in this column, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. I see here an 8, so no 8 there. Here also an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, and no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. I believe the 2, the 3, and the 7 are missing. And I see here the 3 and the 7 in this column. So no 3 and a 7 in this box. So 1 digit left for the 2. The 3 and the 7 are left. We have a 7 there, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. The 2 missing numbers in the first row. For the numbers 7 and 5, we see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for a 7 here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for a 7 should be here. Then 1 number left in this column for the number 2, I believe. Yes, 2 is missing. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for a 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for a 2, the only place for a 2 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing in this column. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And now 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 5 and 4. In this big square, 5 and 4, we see here 4. No 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for a 6 should be here or there, but I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 1 number left in this column for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. 5 and 8, we see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 9, I believe. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. 9 and 3, we have a 9 here, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, we have a 5 here, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this second row for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 1 here, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. 3 and 6, we have a 6 here, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Alright, this second Sudoku, a 2-star Sudoku, is faster than a 1-star, I believe. So, do you think it's a great Sudoku video? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this Sudoku video. Was me to say, see you in a minute with the 3 stars Sudoku, the 3rd Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper. So see you later, bye bye.